A teenage girl who took part in the murder of an elderly woman in East Bakersfield may spend the rest of her life in jail. 17-year-old Katila Nash sobbed as she was sentenced to 25 years to life for the murder of Dorothy Sessions. Nash and another teenager, David Moses, broke into Sessions' home as she was cooking dinner. Moses then beat her to death. Even though Nash did not commit the murder, prosecutors say she is just as responsible.
It's the most that the law allows. It's the best that I can do. Obviously, in a murder case, it's difficult to make full restitution because the victim is gone.
If my mom were here, she would say, "I'll forgive you, but you still have to suffer the consequences of your actions."
Are you able to forgive?
Nash's sister, Angelique, will soon begin her retrial for her alleged role as a lookout.